In today's video, I'll show you on how to use the Wendy's app. So first, open the app. And to help you better navigate the app, there's 5 icons to help you. Home, offers, order, scan, and count. Before I start my order, I always check the in-app offers, just to see if I can save any money, or get some free food. To start your order, click Order Now. Select either pickup or delivery. Then, pick your location. Next, select your pickup method. Something to keep in mind is that when it gets close to the store's closing time, your restaurant that you selected may close their carryout and dine-in option in the app. So this is the menu, where you got your combos of fries, coffee and frosty, and my personal favorite, the biggie bag deals and the meal deals. Let's go with the meal deals. This way, I get the best of both worlds. And with each and every one of these, you get a drink, fry, and then your choice of whether or not you want a chicken sandwich and whatever variation of burger. I'll be going with the junior cheeseburger, better known as the 4 for $4 meal. Choose whether or not you want regular or spicy. Then, select your sauces. For your drink, I definitely recommend getting any of these Wendy's signature lemonades. Now, if you want to make any changes to your order before you add it to your bag, you can do it here. If everything looks good, hit add. This is just a prompt for you if you want to add any of Wendy's suggested items. I normally don't, but I'm actually going to go with the orange dreamsicle frosting. Then, hit add. Next, hit checkout. My total ended up being $7.05. Now, to finish your order, click payment and add in your information. Now, let's address some common concerns, like to even use your reward points and more questions about the app. Comments that have been previously made. It depends on how much you spend. And in this case, for every dollar that you spend, you get back 10 reward points. Click on offers and rewards. I have a total of 656 points. And the cheapest thing that I could get are the chicken nuggets. And the most expensive thing I could get is the Dave's single. Then tap on your rewards and hit unlock for 600. Now for offers. Click offers and rewards. Then click offers. Scroll through till you see the one that you want. I'm gonna go with the buy one Dave's single and get one for $2. So just tap on that, then click on use in mobile order. So I added one Dave's single here, but you need to add both to get the deal, otherwise you might see something like this, and this goes for any reward in the app. The app isn't gonna add the items that you're getting from your order. So now I've changed it to 2, and you can see that the green numbers on the bottom means that it worked. Previous comments. So for one of the comments that we're looking at, it says nothing about the rewards or special deals option. Can they be stacked? I'm not able to. Okay, you cannot stack your deals at all. Now, if you want to use 2 deals at the same time, you can place an order and then you'll probably have to wait about 15 minutes before you can place another one. Do you know if it's possible to use the coupons on their website/app, or does it have to be in person? You can do this either way. It really just depends on how you want to go about it. I personally recommend doing it online just because when you do order in person, sometimes the price can go up. I don't know why. So that's why I order on the app, just to make sure that whatever I paid for, I know the number's not going to go up any more than that. Because if you're rolling on a budget and you don't want to spend over $6, use the app. Because then you can see exactly if it goes over that $6. All I wanted to know is, do they do the order right after it's ordered? Or do you get a code like McDonald's? Okay, so I do have a picture of what that actually should look like. And this is what your order should look like after you're done. So I ordered my food and you see I paid $4.82 and it says paid and then my order name. So whenever you create your account, whatever you put as your name, that's what it's gonna show up as. So then it says we got your order, now we just need you. So when you get there, you'll pull up to the drive-thru and you'll give them your name and then they'll give you a ticket. So after they give you that ticket, that's when they'll start their order. So it's not like they're working on your order as soon as you place it. No, it's not the case. And last one. Okay, what about their delivery option? So their delivery option is you use the same steps for how you would order, you just switch it to delivery. And then sometimes you just have to watch for this, but the app will give you like a $0 delivery fee. Or you only have to pay maybe $1 for your delivery fee, but that's really, really rare. But Wendy's will use DoorDash for your deliveries. So it's really just using DoorDash for your delivery. And another way, if you want to save some money, like use DoorDash and use the Wendy's app and place 2 orders. Like don't place 2 orders, but add the 2 orders to your bag and then see which one's the cheapest, because sometimes DoorDash is cheaper than using the in-app, but most of the time using the in-app DoorDash is way cheaper than using DoorDash. But then I did give a description on how you do the delivery option, so if you want to do that, you can read down here. Now, the last one I want to talk about is coupons. I haven't actually ever had a coupon, so I actually don't know how to use a coupon, but I'm pretty sure when you do place your order and it does say like apply, that's where you'll do it at. So if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please feel more than welcome to comment down below. And for everyone's previous comments, they actually were really good questions. They helped me make this video. So hopefully this explained everything. If not, leave a comment down below. All right, y'all. Peace out. And that's how to use the Wendy's app. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time.